asked to come and speak before lunch, so this is my slide. Okay. We have a solution for waste management of polystyrene, which is styrofoam, EPS. We turn styrofoam into these boards you see right here, which I will pass around in a moment. Currently, nobody really recycles styrofoam because there is no technology to do that. We have developed it, it's patent pending. Our process is also green certified and applicable for white certification, which will allow a company to have passive income through carbon offsets. We have no outgassing, we use very little water. The water we use is recycled, very little electricity, not a lot of capital needed to start, and not a lot of training for people to start using this technology either. This material, as comparison to PVC or other plastics, is very low weight, very strong, and has structural capacities. It can be customized. This is yellow, this is blue, this is just a general gray block. This one is, which I'll pass around, is a bonded wood veneer. There's no glue. So the benefit is that all of these materials can be re-recycled in perpetuity with some loss because these are pure. These are not composites, so it is not like Trex. It's better than Trex. It is impermeable to insect infestation, water, moisture, food waste, animal waste, anything like that. You just wash it down. This material also can be customized in terms of color. You can also infuse it with an additive to make it antibacterial. So it can be used in areas such as schools, public facilities, animal areas, pools, saunas, gyms, anywhere where you might have a lot of high moisture and you want it to be easily washed down and prevent bacteria, mold, etc. It can also be used for pallets and transportation, so when you're moving items, if there's any spillage due to animal waste or food waste, you won't have any problem that you have with wood, and you won't have all the losses that you have in transportation with pallets or the, for example, the flooring and bedding of the cars in the trains or in any kind of highway transportation or trucks. It is also heat resistant. It maintains all of the chemical properties that EPS has, such as thermal insulation. But you can also walk on it, so your feet won't burn if you're in your bare feet, just like a tractor product or anything like that. Usages are in fencing, kiosks, in like sun blockers and housing for construction, any kind of shed or small structure, outdoor furnishings, decks, and also ports. We're very interested in entering the ports and working with waste management in terms of the ports because that's a big problem there, and marinas and piers, so shipping and naval industry. Requests we have, which we have recently had, but we have not been able to fulfill, mostly for volume and reasons like that. The Autobahn in Germany was looking at this material for a sound barrier. The Swiss Railway was looking at this material to build a tunnel for the railway. Instead of using steel molds for concrete, when you're building your tunnel, this product would be used as the mold, but also as the design element in the tunnel. So you pour your concrete, it just stays. You don't have to break it down and rebuild it all the time. IKEA in Sweden was looking at to send their packaging in their styrofoam to a company in Switzerland who would turn it to outdoor furnishing and send it back to Switzerland, send it back to IKEA. The Paralympics. are looking at this material to make a skateboard park for the blind. So when the blind skate, they put their hands down on the ground and they maneuver by rhythm and by reverberation. With wood and concrete, it's harder, and they also can harm their hands, their skin. This material is much safer and better for them. An oil and gas company came to us. When they ship their pipes, they use a packaging transport type material. It's like a triangle in wood that breaks frequently. They were seeking to replace that with ours. A construction program in Abu Dhabi approved this material as a sunblocker for an outdoor product. And countertops, door jams, windows, and a variety of different products like that. People come to us for decking. So we would love to enter the market in the U.S. and find a wonderful partner here for us. And Cassie's around.